Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities, oh Mother Nature.
What do you think, Jenny?
Oh, I got a video of that, didn't I, Aiden?